Good morning! Hello! Just wanted to welcome you to this camping vlog. We're going to be going camping. Me and my friend are going camping for the weekend, Friday through Sunday, at Illinois State Beach Park, I believe, right along the coast of Lake Michigan. And it's just the two of us. We're gonna be camping minimalist style with like barely any supplies. Haven't bought any of the supplies yet or anything, and I'm totally not prepared. I'm leaving in about 3-4 hours though, so it should be okay. But I just wanted to welcome you to the vlog, and I'll see you later.
It's so nice when you walk inside. It's so peaceful here.
Guys, just pack ahead of time. That's what I have to say. Usually, like, I don't know, in the past I used to be really organized and I would like pack stuff ahead of time because I was excited for my trips. Right now, like, I'm running around, haven't even bought half the things I need, and it's absolute insanity, and I'm just like really stressed. At the same time, I'm not that stressed because it's just a fun trip and who cares? But it's more stress than I need. So this is the state of packing right now. Stuff is everywhere. I also have some games and food. I keep thinking of new things I need. This is a bunch of pillows and sleeping bags and everything for me and Maritza. This is the state of the toiletries. Hello. So we are all packed up, as you can see back here. Can't even see my thing. And we're on our way to pick up Maritza. It's 12:15 and it's time to go on the trip. So we have a completely stuffed car. We're starving, and we have half our groceries, but not the other half. Back from the second missed opportunity. World's best grocery store. We are on our way! Finally! 3:31. Hello and welcome to campsite 209. We are in the end of a loop here. We have our car. This is an A premium site at the Adeline J. Geo something Illinois Beach State Park. Here's our chairs with our firewood and a fire pit. We have 2 individual tents. We have a picnic bench. And we also have an outlet because campers could plug in here. We have a cooler here with, I can't show you everything in here, but we've got some chicken sausage. We've got some chocolate in here, some alcohol, but don't tell anyone. We have some pineapple mango juice, cold brew coffee. I mean, this is me we're talking about. We've got some water, our supplies here. Food is inside this guy. Thank you, Mom, for your help with some supplies. Games, citronella candle, bubbles. Someone setting up their tent.
Hi.
This is my tent with a familiar lady in there. Yeah, and everything's set up. We are about to go to the beach now. We have eaten breakfast and coffee, and we're off to try hiking. We both slept pretty well. We happened to wake up at the exact same moment, needing to go to the bathroom, so that worked out very nicely. And then there was a sketchy car driving around by us, so we were scared and couldn't go back to sleep, but we did eventually. And then we woke up around 8:30. The plan today is get some firewood, get some go hiking, and just explore, then get back to the beach, and then we're gonna cook our kebabs and fancy sausages.
Your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible. It's my heart, so
midday coffee break.
Well, this is about time for goodbye. We've finished the coffee. Well, we're working on it. Everything's packed.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.